Welcome to our exploration of Bannerlord's economic system, a crucial element for building your empire. Let's dive in. In Bannerlord, resources are broken down into goods and materials. Managing these effectively is vital for your success. Trade routes and marketplaces play a pivotal role in your economic strategy. Understanding how to leverage them can lead to wealth. Investing in workshops and upgrading your towns will amplify your productivity and resource generation. Managing your troops while keeping recruitment costs in check is a delicate balancing act that can impact your economy. Effective resource gathering strategies are the backbone of a strong economy. Let's explore how to do this successfully. Raids and bandit threats can jeopardize your economic setup. Understanding how to defend against them is key. Diplomacy can offer significant economic advantages if navigated wisely. Build alliances to enhance your resources. Finding the right balance between production and demand is essential for sustainable growth. In conclusion, a sustainable economy in Bannerlord is a multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning and execution.